Staying connected to the past while embracing modern technology can be a unique way to express personal style. The Back to Future 2. Nixie Tube Watch blends retro-inspired design with cutting-edge features, making it more than just a timepiece. Featuring vintage Nixie tubes, the watch offers multicolor backlighting and a lift-to-wake display. It includes practical features like a stopwatch mode, 12/24-hour format options, and wireless charging for everyday convenience. With a power check function and intuitive on-off control, this watch delivers both functionality and nostalgic charm. A seamless fusion of timeless beauty and modern innovation, it's a must-have for those who appreciate both style and technology. In tough and unpredictable environments, having a reliable, well-crafted axe is essential for survival and work. The Drogo Ulfsteel axe combines precision, hand-forged craftsmanship with the durability of rosewood and Damascus steel to deliver an exceptional tool. Featuring an anatomical handle and a balanced, compact design, the axe weighs just under 2 pounds, making it easy to handle with a firm grip. Its blade is crafted for smooth and efficient cutting, perfect for splitting or carving. Designed for those who tackle challenges head-on, the Ulfsteel axe is inspired by legendary weapons like the Ulfbert swords, a true symbol of strength and craftsmanship for the modern adventurer. For those seeking freedom in every step, a footwear solution that supports natural movement is essential. Meet the new norm minimalist footwear, designed to provide unrestricted movement, allowing your feet to move as they were naturally intended. By embracing a barefoot design, these shoes promote toe splaying for a stronger foundation, unlike conventional footwear that restricts comfort. Perfect for those who value effortless style and all-day functionality, New Norm is ideal for transitioning from the gym to the street or exploring nature. With every step, you redefine movement, staying grounded, focused, and unstoppable. It's time to experience a shoe that adapts to your body and supports your journey without compromise. When camping or backpacking, a comfortable and protected sleeping setup is essential for a restful night outdoors. The Nightcat Flat Lay Hammock Tent is designed for ultimate comfort, allowing you to sleep flat like on a bed, making it perfect for supine and side sleepers. With a detachable storage room for your backpack, shoes, or even your pet, it provides convenience and organization. The mosquito net keeps bugs away, while the waterproof rainfly ensures you stay dry in heavy rain. Featuring durable 70D nylon fabric and easy setup, this lightweight hammock can support up to 440 pounds. Ideal for backpacking, hiking, and camping, it's the perfect companion for outdoor adventures. When heading outdoors, comfort and convenience are key, especially when sharing a seat with a companion. Meet the Husk Firm Double Camping Chair, designed for 2 people, offering ample space and a thickened, padded design for ultimate comfort. Made with 600D Oxford fabric and a durable steel frame, it can support up to 650 pounds, making it ideal for couples. Thoughtfully designed, it includes 2 cup holders, 2 stem glass holders, and 2 back pockets for added convenience. Its portable folding design ensures easy setup and transport, while PE anti-slip foot pads make it suitable for various terrains. Perfect for camping, fishing, or relaxing in the backyard, this chair offers comfort wherever you go.